It sucks, Gobber. It doesn't suck any more than this.
Ah, the ceremonial belt. Is it that time again?
Yeah. Tomorrow's the annual treaty signing with the Berserker tribe.
They gotta change that name. When your chief's Oswald the Agreeable, you haven't been to war in 50 years.
Oh, please tell me he's not bringing that lunatic kid of his.
Dagur? Oh, he'll be here.
Oh, great. And let me guess, I get to keep him from breaking things.
Actually, I have a more important job for you. You get to hide all the
From Oswald the Agreeable? Why?
Just hide the son.
Is Dagur coming? He's so cool. Cool? Last time he was here, he used me as a knife-throwing target.
That guy should be locked up in a cage.
That's what he did to me.
Presenting the High Chief of the Berserker Tribe, Cracker of Skulls, Slayer of Beasts, the Great and Fearsome
Oswald the Agreeable?
Dagur, the Deranged!
Dagur? Deranged?
Oh, no. Oh, perfect.
Dagur, where is your father?
My father has been retired. He lost his taste for blood. I, on the other hand, am starving. So, where are you hiding them, Stoic?
Hiding what, Dagur?
Do I look stupid to you?
Trick question. Don't answer it. We both know what's going on here. I have it on excellent authority that you're amassing an army of
Excellent authority. And who would that be, Dagur?
Never mind. Just know that if I find it to be true, then my armada will
Attack with the force of 50,000 brave berserker soldiers.
Stand down, Dagur. There won't be any need for the armada.
According to the treaty, my visit starts with a tour of Burke, the armory, the feast in the Great Hall, the killing arena. You do still kill here, hmm?
Your father never found the tour necessary.
As you can see, I'm not my father. Am I?
Which brings us to our next problem.
Huh? Barf?
Belch?
Here?